Hi there, I'm Brenda Cadman, and in today's quick Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change a color across your entire Canva design rather than having to change each instance of that color individually. So let's jump into Canva. From time to time, you will find yourself wanting to change multiple instances of a given color throughout a design. And I often get asked if there's a way to replace a color throughout all the pages of a design as opposed to having to change each color individually. And the answer is yes. Canva does have a feature to help you do this. So let's take a look at a presentation template. This Olive Porch Organics presentation template, not surprisingly, uses an olive green as the primary text color throughout this design. So if I wanted to update the color of this heading text, I could simply select the text box, and then I would come up here to the text color settings and I would change it like this. And then I could change the color of Fresh Market Delivery Service as well. But what you might have noticed when I changed the color of that text is that an option appears at the bottom area of the text color settings, and it provides you with a button that says Change All. So let's try that out instead. I'm going to select another text box and I'll change the text color to my navy blue brand color. And now when that Change All option appears, you can see that it asks me if I want to change every instance of olive green to navy blue. So I'm going to say Change All. And it will automatically change the color across all pages of the design, as you can see when I put the presentation design into grid view. So this can be an incredible time savings. However, do keep in mind that it is going to change every instance of a given color, including potentially design elements that you don't necessarily want to change. For example, if you have a color that's being used for a piece of text, but it's also being used as a background color on another page of your design, you're going to find that the background color will change as well. So use this feature carefully and be sure to look over your design in detail afterwards to ensure that nothing has been changed that you didn't want to be altered. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. And you can do a 45-day free Canva Pro trial by going to brendacadman.com/Canva. Stay tuned for more Canva tips and tutorials, and be sure to check out the How to Use Canva membership, where I'm serving up Canva knowledge, inspiration, and support on a monthly basis.